Welcome to HMC Works, your one-stop shop for all your concrete roof repairs. With over 20 years of expertise, we provide trusted, durable solutions to keep your roof in top condition. Is your concrete roof leaking or showing signs of damage? Don't wait for it to get worse. HMC Works is here to help. We provide reliable, long-lasting solutions that prevent future damage and keep your home or business safe and dry. Our team uses only the best materials and techniques, ensuring your roof is durable and weatherproof. First, we assess the current condition of the roof and carefully remove any old, damaged waterproofing materials. This ensures that the new waterproofing layer will bond properly and provide maximum protection. Next, we thoroughly clean the concrete surface to remove any debris, dirt, or loose particles. This step is crucial to ensure that the new waterproofing membrane adheres correctly and effectively. We then apply our advanced waterproofing systems using high-performance liquid rubber compounds and combined systems with fabric reinforcement to ensure a seamless, flexible, and long-lasting waterproof barrier. These systems are applied as a thick, flexible liquid that cures into a seamless, weather-resistant membrane, capable of withstanding extreme temperatures and harsh environmental conditions. After a 10-day curing period, we apply a sun-reflective paint to further protect the waterproof surface, reduce heat absorption, and extend the lifespan of your roof. With years of experience and a proven track record of delivering high-quality service, we are dedicated to providing tailored solutions that meet the unique needs of each client. From the initial consultation to project completion, we work closely with you to understand your goals and deliver customized results that exceed expectations. Our team of skilled professionals is committed to completing every project to the highest standards, using only premium